Hey everybody, and welcome to our listing at 3538 Northwest Avenue. Let's go inside and take a look at some of my favorite features of this 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo. Conveniently located right here on Northwest by I-5 and all the great things this neighborhood has to offer. Inside the front door, we've got this awesome little landing area. We've got washer and dryer in the closet behind me here, stacked unit, and then this leads into the kitchen here. Got a nice pass-through kitchen with a window over the sink looking out toward the parking lot. And you do have one designated parking spot with this unit, which is just a few steps away from the entrance this direction. So very convenient for bringing groceries and things in. You've got a pantry area here and cat protection. Pantry area, and you also have your water heater in here, easily accessible. And then if you follow me this way, you can get to this living area right from the front door, or you can pass through the kitchen. And you've got a really nice open living room with a ceiling fan, which I think is great. You've got a deck with a sliding glass door leading out to it here, and it overlooks kind of some trees and things here, neighbors in the distance, and you also have a storage unit here, which is excellent in a unit of this size. So you've got closets, of course, in here, pantry, plenty of storage, but you've also got an additional space outside to store other items. Actually, kind of a really fun feature of this condo, I think, is this wood-burning fireplace, which is functional, and that's just kind of a cool element. Coming this way, we've got the bedrooms and bathroom. Off to our left, we've got the full bathroom here with your shower and tub combo. We've got bedroom number 1. This is toward the front of the unit, the parking lot side of the building. And you've got really nice closets in here, good sized closets, and then a good sized room as well. This is a queen bed and it fits in here really well with room for additional furniture and things like that. And then in bedroom number 2 here on the back side of the unit, a little bit smaller potentially and a slightly different layout, but you've also again got really nice closet space here and then a window looking out toward the back of the unit, so you've got some trees and green space out there as well. Okay, and for all you pet owners out there, just a few steps away from the unit, you've got this pet area just off of the parking lot, so another really great convenient feature here on the property. Thanks so much for checking out our listing here on Northwest Avenue. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, please reach out anytime.